How to use Zenler Community. A thriving community is one of the most powerful assets a creator can build. It increases retention, accountability, course completion, membership value, and drives engagement and loyalty. What Zenler Community includes. Zenler gives you a native integrated community system, so you don't need Circle, Mighty Networks, Facebook groups, Discords, or Slack. Go to communities to see the channels for topic-based spaces, groups for student segments, posts for engagement threads, and members to see who's active. Zenler Community works seamlessly with courses, membership, challenges, live classes, automation funnels, and student tagging. And there's a few different versions of the community. One is a public community, which is public and people can join. So public can see the post, but they can't comment unless they join. So this is a great way to build your email list. You also have private. So private is the next tier up, which is the next security level. You can see a private community, but you have to be invited in either by joining a course. Because we've got secret community, which can be hidden and can be for membership sites and those sort of things, right? So, and we have discussion communities that are purely set up for discussions that you have inside courses. Of course, you've got inside there, you can live stream into your community, and it's even got a live chat feature. Think of WhatsApp. It's exactly the same as WhatsApp. You can set up a little group and you can talk with certain members. And of course, live stream, as I mentioned, into any of your communities. You also have an onboarding welcome message that can pop up as well. And you can put all of your links in there to your various social channels, and you can style it in your same brand. The communities aspect of Zenler is super, super powerful. Creating channels and connecting content. Create channels like welcome announcements, wins and successes, weekly accountability, Q&A support, resources, monthly challenge or coaching corner. Set privacy to public for all users, only for members of selected products, private invitations, course linked to members, as I've already mentioned. You can attach a community channel to a course, so students discuss lessons and ask questions. Attach it to a membership so members can engage daily for strong retention, or attach it to a coaching program so clients get accountability and access to you. Post, challenges, and automation. Create posts with text, image, video, embeds, announcements, polls, or challenges. You can pin posts as well. Run challenges like a 5-day kickstart, 30-day content challenge, weekly practice, or monthly goals. And you can get your guys to all post on there to drive a really engaging community. Create a channel, pin your challenge steps, post daily. So when we say pin, we mean make it featured, right? Engage with members and celebrate wins. Use automation to tag members when they join a membership. Add them to the community channel, which happens automatically because you can attach a membership to a pricing plan as well. So this can be really cool because you can invite people to come in on 2 different pricing plans. One could be without a community at say $50. One with the community could be $80. So you got automatically, by adding the community, you've got a kind of upsell or a bump. Okay. Activity, purchase, and progress. That's what we're looking for. Best practices and support. Best practices include daily or weekly questions, sharing your progress, replying to new members, running monthly challenges, pinning important posts, celebrating wins, and using video posts. Zenler includes pinning posts, deleting posts, reporting, muting members, private channels, admin-only channels, and membership management. You can run communities. You can run communities with all of the members coming into your site or selected members in your site. You get help from the tutorials, support docs, YouTube training, and of course our Facebook group. and the weekly live support desk. And of course, if you're doing the Accelerator program, we already set up a public community for you. We show you how to do it. It's super, super simple. So find a link in the description, guys.